Here is how to set up My Eyes Only and move your snaps and memories there to keep them secure and private. So if you haven't set it up My Eyes Only, this just takes a couple of minutes. So launch the app from the camera section, tap on Memories, swipe right the tabs at the top and go to My Eyes Only. Tap on Setup and then hit Quick Setup. You gotta set a 4 digits passcode, then confirm it, and your passcode will show up in here. You can write it down and take a screenshot, whatever you want, and check the disclaimer and conditions box at the bottom, and then hit continue, and then finish. Now your My Eyes Only is now set up. To add photos in there, you can either select them from the home section, camera roll, AI snaps, any of the tabs. Just select those photos. After selecting those photos that you want to move to your My Eyes Only, tap on these three dots and then tap on Move to My Eyes Only, and then hit Move to confirm. All these snaps will be hidden from here and moved straight to My Eyes Only section. And you're gonna put down your passcode to access all those contents from now on. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us.